Here we have another Fleischmann running number 562836. DCC fitted with working lights, as you can see, directional. Don't worry, that's the track, not the loco. See? Let's try it in reverse. So the working lights in the back. Slow it right down to, we're on a quarter impulse, quarter. If you want to buy it, check out the link in the description or search eBay, or contact me direct and I'll arrange a PayPal invoice for you. If you like my videos, please subscribe and click the notification bell. I tend to list videos at least once a week, not just railways, real railways, animals, the weather, anything that catches my eye really. So if you like that kind of thing, please follow me. Thank you.